YouTube, we're back. You see Blucino back here, and me, of course, and then we got another blue, and that's a Scat Boy. And we're back here in Bevel Automotive. If you know why I'm here, go ahead and comment down below. Take a guess, cause we're getting another bot on that bad boy. Look at that. Is that gap really noticeable? I think it might be. Need to get down a little bit. Oh, look what we got here joining us. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Look at them fucking tips, dude. Look at them tips. Humongous. Alrighty. If you guessed it, then hey, props to you, man. But today I'm installing the rear diff on my car, 309 gears. And I had it shipped here because, you know, what the hell was I gonna do with that big ass crate in my apartment? So I had it shipped here. He was happy to take it, he took it. I brought today the fluids, you know, so he could get it work. They said the install time was gonna take a little bit less than the header, so maybe half the day, but we'll see. Last time I didn't get to show you guys this, but you should take one. My car moved, so it's time to get to work. Got here at 8 a.m. Well, we got here earlier, but they started working at 8 a.m. right away. And I'm excited, man. I just gotta get through that braking period and I'll be straight. All right, we're finally finished. Bevel Automotive, once again. Boom, we're done. So, it went super quick, actually, to be honest. You know, everybody on YouTube, the videos I've seen, they're doing it laying on their back and stuff. You know, I just can't do that, dude. I came to the shop, they took care of me once again. I love them. I love it here. The only thing is, I couldn't put the diff brakes back on because I have to do the 500 mile or so braking period for the new differential, the 309 diff. So I'm gonna have to come back, and the fuel plug to fill it back up is covered by the brakes. So we decided to just leave it off. Then whenever we come back to, you know, drain it and fill it back up, we're gonna put in the diff brakes. So we can't wait. I'm excited. Just take it easy, just hold it together and I'll be good. The car was already started, but let me give you, oh, the door is open. Fail, man. Really? All right, now let's get it. That was loud. Thank you guys for watching yet again. You know, I didn't really show you the installation of that. You know, I was taking a nap, but thank you guys for watching. Can't wait till we get it going and start getting some real pulls in. Thank you guys. Like, subscribe, comment anything else you want to see done to the car, because I want to do it too. Peace.